guys, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I have part 2 of my Halloween Make Market diamond painting haul. This is another glow-in-the-dark one that I got for $14.99, but I had a 20% off coupon that you can find on their website all the time, or at least pretty much all the time. This is what it looks like. So it's kind of dark, but as you can see, the stars there are what glows in the dark. So very excited. Again, this is a 40.6 by 50.8 centimeter, just like the other one that I hauled. I will go ahead and leave a link to that one down below if you're interested. The name of this kit is Moonbat. There is the diamond painting area, and then you can see the glow in the dark area there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's like the little stars. So very excited. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay. Sorry, my camera started falling and I don't know what you guys ended up seeing, and I didn't want you to see my foot. It's just kind of like nasty. Anyways, for those of you who do not know, the Make Market, I'm pretty sure, is the exclusive diamond art kits for Michaels. I don't think you can get them anywhere else. I have completed one in the past. It was an Italy kit, and that's on my channel if you're interested in seeing my thoughts on that. They work up really nice. I mean, $14.99 for a 40 by 50 is really not a bad deal at all. And again, like I said, I got this for 20% off. So really, you can't go wrong. But let's open this up because I'm so excited. I love the color palette on this so much, and I love bats. So that's how I ended up getting this one. Oh yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. All right, I dropped something, nothing of importance. Okay, let me go ahead and roll this backwards just so it's not so, I don't know, rolled up. Make it a little more flat. There we go. Okay, so the canvases are scalloped edges, but they don't have that, I don't know what everyone calls them, where they're like kind of perforated so that they don't shred. But here is the canvas, and sorry, something fell on it. You've got a legend on either side. This one has 33 colors, and 3 are ABs. You see that? Or not ABs, glow in the dark. So you have a very nice clear drill field. Love to see it. Love the color palette on this so much. Sorry, it's kind of large for this table that I've got here. Anyways, you do have an instruction sheet if you are new to diamond painting. I am not, so that's going in the trash. And then here is the toolkit. So you've got some blue wax, some nice large bags, a big tray, and then a silver pen with a silver grip. So love that. And then look, geez, this thing. There we go. Okay, sorry, I had to jimmy rig that for a second, but look at the color palette on these drills. And then, of course, this is a special drill, so I'm gonna go ahead and bust these open so that we can all take a look at the special drills and see what the glow in the dark is gonna look like. All right, so here are, whoop, our glow in the dark colors. So there's not a ton in this kit. There was a lot more in the other one that I had recently hauled. I'll go ahead and leave the link to that one down below. But you've got white, blue, and yellow glow in the dark drills. So I'm very excited about that. And then look at all of these purples and blues. Y'all, I am shook. Very, very excited. Like this dusty purple, it looks like it's gray, but it's dusty purple. Look at this purple. Oh, anyways, it's just all purple, pink, and blue, and I'm here for it. Plus a little razzle dazzle. And then let me show you where so these are the glow in the dark ones, and they just are like freckled throughout as the stars. And then yeah, there's more stars. You can see the little blue symbol there. It's just freckled throughout as little stars in different colors. I am so here for it. But yeah, so that is it. This kit is called let me just rename it, Moonbat. So Moonbat, 10 out of 10. I'm excited. I'm hoping to get to both of these by like August so I can like hang them in my house. August, September. So at least like, you know, for October they can be hung up, but very, very excited. They did have other options too, if you guys want some glow in the dark ones, but maybe this is not your vibe. They had like a skull, they had a witch, and a haunted house as well. So very cool stuff. Check out Michael's. If you guys are interested in wax and diamond painting videos, this is the channel for you. I would love it if you would like, comment, and subscribe and join us here at, you know, my channel. But that is it for today. I hope you guys are having a great day, night, whenever you're watching this, and until next time.